to Mason Making Tracks. Sorry it has been so long, but this is gonna be a fun one. And this guy's gonna have a special surprise. So let's get to work.
So today we have our big excavator that we've been using to clear the woods, and we're going to grab, smash, drop, crush all the pumpkins that we have. And these ones we grew here in our woods on accident, where we threw out the old pumpkins last year, so they're going back into the woods. Good catch. All right.
This is a pocket. We're gonna drop this one in the pocket.
All right, what are we gonna do with him first? Are we gonna crush him and run him over? Are we gonna grab him, or are we gonna drop him?
Drop him.
Okay, do you want to pick him up with the bucket?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. Let me have him.
There we go.
Is he gonna stay?
Yeah, he'll stay. You might want to watch out. It might get pumpkin guts on the camera. There's not a bunch of guts in there. They all got dried out in summer. Oh! Yeah. Pumpkin guts. Yeah. Come here. Got him. Pumpkin guts.
Are you gonna plant our pumpkin seeds right here in this dirt, the loose dirt?
Yeah.
All right, sprinkle them everywhere, and then we'll have pumpkins. And then we'll have pumpkins next year.
Oh, Daddy's shirt! Look at my hand.
All right, what are we gonna do now, Mason?
Smush another one.
Smush one? All right,
with
come
the
on.
bucket. Let's move this back over here and move.
All right.
And move.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Taken down by the pumpkin.
One more pumpkin, and we're gonna cut him in half and then run him over with the tracks.
Bye-bye. They could have done it at the same time. What? Oh, maybe kind of cracked.
That guy
It's
is...
a flat jack. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek what we're going to do with the last one. Oh, wait, I want to see what the topic says.
You cracked him.
Hit him right in his mouth.
All right, Livy, let's see if you can bust him open.
Lydia, look, hit him right here. Right in his big mouth. And then it'll be my turn. Watch this, guys.
Wow.
My turn.
Oh. There you go.
One more.
You think Daddy will be able to hit it if I pitch it to him?
No.
Oh, they don't have faith in you.
I don't have faith in me.
I don't know. I'm just scared. Watch out if it breaks it.
All right, here we go.
Oh, it's a home run!
Are you okay?
Yes. Oh, I need help. Guys, this is called the pumpkin cutter. Watch this.
Oh!
Pumpkin guts everywhere. You got him.
Guts him.
All right, Livy, come get a bat. Nice!
Oh yeah! Broke you in half. All right, guys, that's it for the pumpkin pummeler today.
Bye, guys.
Look at all the pumpkin guts. We'll see you next year when we have more pumpkins.
Bye. Bye, I'm gonna get you. Pumpkin attack.